cook, 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 cook. Meow. Hey, Sir Chungungo. Who did that? Holy fuck, who did all that? Why didn't I put the block? Hello? I missed, I skipped it again. Bless up, excuse me. I'm not facing. Sorry. Excuse me, it's just winning. Guys, just play topside. Possible. At all times. Cousin. I don't really care. Hangover 1. Hangover 1 is good, yes, I agree. Excuse me. We're so fucking bad, it's insane. I was saying already. Yo, it's over. We can't win. I'm gonna steal your kill, bruh. I lost for cause bro, I'm dying. League high. Excuse me. Excuse me. I let you lose one plate. Excuse me. Because we're uploading a video today. Excuse me. I just stopped building that Spain. Because I don't know. Excuse me, sorry. It is real, I'm so good. Uh-oh. It's doing hella work. Holy heel cut diff. Holy fuck. That's not good. Head scratch. It's okay, it's gonna rumble too. Guys, it's 1 or 3. 1 or 3. I should just... For me. Who wants to see me play Gragas? Yeah! This on what? Someone else? Excuse me. Holy shit. This game in my jungle is just good. Oops. My bad. Oh, what am I doing? Just on this Morgana at least. Just give me your archer and I'll put it as my status so I don't forget. Excuse me. Here's your envelope. Thank you. Wait. Not apparently. Excuse me. Sorry. Not washed. Not washed. Excuse me. Excuse me. Sorry. I'm gonna play Timo. Bless up, man. Excuse me. Bless up. I don't know what's going on. I'm so sorry about that. Oh my gosh. Ass. Even if I were to like cancel lose, like it doesn't matter. Excuse me. I don't know. Who the fuck did that? Okay, sorry, I need to stop yelling. Bless up. Red dot for the 3. Oh my god, slowpoke. $100 slowpoke. Bless up. Hell yeah. It's all good. Gold. Go Ezreal. Okay. Really, guys? So we lost. How many people did we lose? Should we we need to get the OG members in. Ooh. Cookie. How the fuck is he still alive? Cuh. Gremlin energy, okay. Excuse me. Good night. Bye.